2005 Ford Freestar transmission. It has a 3.9 engine and it has an AX4N transmission in there. Okay. Now once again, here's another probable cause. If something was to go on to happen, then you have a chance to see that this could be a cause. Now, customer was driving and the vehicle just stopped moving, and it went, the RPMs raised up, couldn't go forward, couldn't go reverse. Normally, with transmissions like this, there's a torque converter issue, where the torque converter is stripped out. In Ford Freestars, Ford Taurus, Mercury Sable. However, this wasn't the case on this one. There was two problems with this transmission. First of all, what caused the transmission to stop moving? Well, I'll let you see here. I took that channel plate off, and what you see is a broken chain. Now, this chain turns the driven pulley. So the torque converter turns this pulley, which end up turning this gear here. But if the chain is broken, it can't turn. Thus, you cannot move. So this is what happens in a no movement condition with this chain. No forward, no reverse. Now, also, this transmission had another problem. If you look here, you can see that torque converter is blue. It's been overheating, okay? But I would imagine the cause for that is, if you could see inside here, it was more, this has antifreeze that's getting inside the transmission, okay? That's coolant. And you can smell it, engine coolant inside. I've showed you in videos what happens with transmission with engine coolant. Okay, if you look at the channel plate, you'll also see right here antifreeze right there. So this had two problems. One, the chain broke, and two, antifreeze was getting inside of the transmission. Okay, so again, when there's antifreeze that gets inside the transmission, you know, you might as well replace all the clutch materials and the seals. You can take a chance, not good to do so. With the chain, if it was only a broken chain, if everything else looked good, you could have repaired this transmission, just put a chain in. Okay, so once again, if the vehicle doesn't move, Ford Freestar 2005, possibility, a broken chain. Also, in this transmission for this Freestar, if you look at the valve body gasket, you get a closer look, you can see that it's all buckled up. I mean, bubbles, it's just ready to break. It's not flat at all. You can press these down. The gasket is just no good. Water will do that to a gasket. Also, a gasket will do this over time, but I would believe that the water is what caused this problem. Here. Let me see. You see here, it's like you can poke a hole in it because it's bubbled. See that? No good, no good. So this transmission, either replace it or rebuild it completely. Again, this is the AX4N off the 2005 Ford Freestar.